Sorry about that, guys. We got knocked off again on the streaming. I don't know how long I was disconnected. I just saw OBS disconnected. So I'll have to see what happens. I don't know why it's doing this. I don't know if it's my internet. I don't know what the heck it is. So right now, what I'm doing is just waiting and waiting and waiting until. Oh man, this is just terrible. For how many days now? It reversed on me on a negative percentage. It's holding there. We're going to get a good trade in. And I'm just playing this game. What I'm doing on this one, I'll add it on this indicator too so you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to put the trend tracker on again. And on the trend tracker, what I'm going to show you is where my order is, because I know it's supposed to be coming down. We tapped once, we tapped twice. I'm waiting for this one to break down because this is your trend tracker. See how it moved up? It had tested once, volume back to the line, tapped twice. If it breaks up, and that's something we today. But the cloud really moved up. What a transition on the cloud. But we're still negative territory. So very deep aggression to get more contracts. And I'm letting him gobble all this stuff up. And then hopefully we can break down again one more time. That's what I'm looking for. And I apologize that my videos get disconnected, but I got no choice on that one. O'clock, so it's 10 o'clock my time. It's only 10, eh? Do. So if that's the case, we've got 20 minutes. We're going to find out if that 1223 is actually selling up. Oh, look at all that grossness there. It's been trying to push down. It is breaking down. We're going to see if this turns to A, or the A turns to red, and we'll go from there. We had only one really aggressive sell-off right at that opportunity. I'm going to change that again. On the 10-minute chart, look how ugly this 10-minute chart is right now. See, did that bounce back, and she's playing right here. But she's going to break down, like we got a doji, selling pressure, just indecisiveness. This is where they are. And, you know, boom, indecisiveness, drop. Did literally touch the VWAP. And if you can see that wedge pattern is getting tighter and tighter and tighter and tighter. I bet you it's that 1225 signal. That's what you're going to see. 1210 will still play around. Hello, Isham. Welcome back. I don't know why my internet's disconnected. What I'm doing right now is I'm waiting. I want to see this trend tracker right here? It hit once, bounce up, twice, maybe very little points there because it reversed. We're waiting, and I want to see if she's going to break down. We're still at negative 0.5 all day. You know, for 3 sessions now, it hung at the 0.5 or negative 0.5. Then it did its big move. So it'll be interesting. So we'll see. But this election thing, I wonder what's on the news. Why it's so ugly right now. Let me just check something here. Just gonna move the news here so you can see. CNBC. Interesting. If this is the case, why isn't our... It says Congress is far from sending more stimulus help for corona cases surging and no pain levels. Why is the market not going down? Stock market update, Dow falls 150, Dow soars 7%, whatever. I would like to know what the timestamp is on this. Does it say what the timestamp? 10:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So that was an hour and a half, 46 minutes ago. Alrighty. Let's wait for the selling catalyst coming up. Wow. There we go. So on the uni wrinkle bar, oh yeah, here. This is that game we've been playing since for that half hour. A lot of volume, a lot of volume, a lot of volume, a lot of volume. See? It's a big load up right now. And she's starting to break down, slowly but surely. If it does break down, see, this is the institution, foundation. I would love to see it get back down to here. And let's go look left to trade the right. That was just a straight reversal there. Wow. Stupid V patterns. Down, up, down. What is the Fibonacci retracement on that? $61.8, guys. There you go. 61.8 retracement. Always. Mathematically, it's there. Now we just have to wait. Peter Boko, Pepe, Isham Hendricks, Randy Nugent, 4 people left. There's 6 people there. But, okay. Is anybody in the green today? I know I'm not with that one little trade. Son of a gun, I got whipped out on that one. I'm only down by... it's actually not that bad. It's only 100 and some bucks. Waiting. My question to you guys is my voice super echoey?
So I think you've lost your touch since moving back to Mexico. It's my face.
I lose my touch because I'm trading live and trying to teach you guys. That's what it is. When you're not teaching, it's a lot easier because you can focus more. Elections. There we go. Can we break down? Yeah, I want to look at the volume metrics here. There we go. How do we get it?
Even though some had to leave for a while back now. You are slicker.
Have to leave for a while back now. Yeah, thanks. I expect this to happen. Okay, can we break this? Just ranging up and down. This is what I'm looking at right now. Up and down, up and down. It's just playing in this range here. And I'm just waiting and waiting to see them buy and sell, buy and sell. Playing at 13 to 11.
Set check the 30-minute SAT resistance.
At 30-minute resistance, what level are we on? So much consolidation this whole election cycle. It's nothing been really trending, especially in the sell cycle. I'm quite shocked. There was that York Times, your London sessions are moving nicer than the New York sessions most this past while. 12:10 signal is okay. 10:45 signal worked. 11:05. Let me see here. Technically broke even. It just whipped.
Set for a different perspective, longer time frame, but does suggest resistance. He's a burger. Say it looks like a mile pull back and break high.
Possibly, Peter. We'll see, but we'll find out. There is a lot of buying and selling going on. If it does pull higher, we already had 2 wicks on this side and this side here. I'm looking at the energy. We're going to look at 12.23 if it's going to be another crazy punch, or 12.25 on the sell side. I'm just watching right now, this trend tracker right now, because we were in negative territory. We're still at negative 0.5. We were at negative, I think, 1.2 or 1.1, somewhere around there. And so what I showed earlier, we're using Fibonacci's. This one right here. Take a look at this. It's wild. It's Fibonacci retracement from the peak of 31 to the bottom of 84. We're literally at 13 level. It was 12 here, but 13 level of a Fibonacci retracement. Okay? So it went down, Fibonacci retracement, if it's an expansion, if we're lucky enough today. See how it's getting back to prior open? Oh, let me get this to the proper. Let's see if I can get this properly. There we go. Oh, prior open was there. Okay, but I'll put it at 84. So it's 70. If we look to the left, actually, I'm going to move. I'll just put this one here. Let's see a 127 extension and 70. See if there's any area of a possibility. It doesn't look like it today. Let's see. Yeah, I don't have enough data for it to check it. If you guys are really interested in learning about pattern harmonics, oh, look at the punch up again. Pattern harmonics. There's a guy that's a forester. Oh, look at that punch. Lucky I did close that. Now we're at 0.4. Unbelievable. Blue volume bar, high volume. See if they're going to break out. What's the time when they're 12:14? Quarter after. Okay. Yeah, I moved to Mexico. I shouldn't lose my touch. Maybe I have to go back. No, I don't want to go back to Canada. It's too cool. Okay, too much coronavirus here too. How much volume did we have? 10,000 contracts on that 1 minute. Are they liquidating, selling everything off, or is this the impulse move? 1225 is kicking in. Now let's take a look here. Well, that was a major move. That was a lot of volume for breaking out. 10,000. It is, eh? We're at 0.3 now. See what happens at 1225. I don't like how the market's going today. So look at that punch. 1,000, 1,000. Unless this guy is buying up all his contracts, selling off, because we're having a lot of selling pressure on the red at 16. Now what we need to see is a double top, or is it going to get the liquidity? Look at this. So they
said what a move to the upside.
Yeah, it is a move to the upside. That was an instant 10-point move to the upside. It hit 127 extension at 16. So we have to see now. Is that their exhaustion? So that was a lot of contracts off on the end of the day. Well, let's see. Yeah, so now we're getting a lot of red here. I just don't like it right now. Let's take a look at the 10-minute chart and see what happened before we can start. If it's going to be the so-called railroad track. Let's see here. 10-minute. There you go, guys. Right back into this zone here. Let's see if they can finish this exhaustion pattern out, or are they done? I said this morning, if it might break first one, let's see if it gets to the second one. I was looking at institution line here, still playing past the institution line, and now this is where they wanted to go. And we got, are we losing connection again, guys? Gotta check, and I see a red. Hopefully I'm not losing connection again. I'll see if I there, the connection again. Okay. Okay, so they are looking like they wanted to get to this zone. That was the exhaustion pattern. There was a big bar here. They got here and pulled back. Wow, no, they're not going to do that. They did their deep enough retracement today. And let's see what they're doing. I want to see on the UAU ankle bar. Wow. 16, 18, 17. They literally hit this market maker price line. Now wait. I just can't believe they went straight up today. Okay. Negative stay negative, positive stay solid. All right, negative 0.3. This is probably exhaustion volume, guys. It's red. But let's see if this is going to start fading. So what we can do now, if you guys want, okay? And I got to do this. Let's see how quickly am I on this one. Focus. Boom. Move this up to here. Let's go back to here. And what's the price? 36.11. What is that? 11.50. So we're just below. See how it tapped once, tapped twice, third time. So we're just below here. We'll see if this breaks this trend tracker here. 1225 signal is coming up, and let's see if this was their exhaustion candle. This exhaustion candle of 10,000 contracts, that's insane. Usually when they do that, they're done for today. That's what they usually do. They'll just dump a whole bunch and say, okay, we're done. We had another, unless they want to still keep on going, another 8,000 contracts. So that's 18,000 contracts in 2 minutes. And now what are they doing? 3, 2, 2, 1, 3, negative 0.3, deep retracement. 1225 signal is coming up. And if it keeps on going up, then this is going to be a crappy day again. But you got from 1023 to 130. It did an amazing pullback from what is it, 1 or 2% or 1.1%. And if we do get a trade, we can possibly get a trade here. We will watch it at 08. If it breaks 08, it's only 3 or 4 points. And if that's the case, if it keeps on going down, then we got this stop out, this stop out, this stop out, all the way down to the VWAP. We'll find out here. Let's also take a look. You know, we haven't done this all day. There you go, Isham's chart. Did we hit right to the tip, almost at that third band? So back to the VWAP would be at 02. Yeah, and hopefully we're in the right side of the trade here. Don't bounce back and do this again, guys. I'm driving nuts. I might have to give this up. Okay, we're at 1225, 1222, 1225. Let's look at the volume metrics. Volume metrics is showing selling pressure. Look at that wick again. I got in just too early. We needed a full bar for breakdown. I want to break this trend tracker line. Not have to close it again. Wait for the next round. Market open price line, hit these two levels. We'll take a look at if we can get to the VWAP. Where's market open? Market, if we can get the market open, that'll be great. So that'd be 11 point. Let's see if we can get an aggressive move down here. Break the trend tracker down. What a crazy day. 1223. It's holding up right at that trend tracker again. But he wants to push down this time. $12.25 signal. Is it supposed to be a sell-off to what time? If it works, let's see where we are here. 4 o'clock or 2 o'clock. Now hopefully it will start pushing down. We're just going to break this trend tracker line. And we are getting selling pressure in right now. We can get to 107. Let's say 08, 1108. So we're at 0.43. Watch this, we'll get back to 0.5 again. So 0.3, 0.6, 0.91, 0.2. We'll see. Maybe 15. Okay. Three times on trend tracker, no way. Let's see, 1225. Three times on, no. Not off the close and shut down the studio for a day and start trading by myself until I get good at it again. This is insane. Okay, push down. 0.37. How much volume was there? 3,000, 3,000, 2,000. Yeah, it is weakening. I just maybe this little 2-tick wick out got me right below this trend tracker here. Usually it just gets it nicely, but I'm seeing if we can get to 07 when she starts breaking down here. And we can get to, yeah, 09. Let's see here in the long point. 08, 09. Push her down. A lot of fighting today. Well, 25, 135. Total of 50. Wow, if anybody took that 12-10 signal, they made a lot of money there. Okay, can we break this trend tracker now? Push it down. where is our, okay, so where is our, see, they knocked out all those guys, they hit that market maker, 1230 is a sell signal, so they're saying, I don't like this cloud, it was too big at the